Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Hiauspor men's hiking cargo shorts. These are lightweight, quick dry stretch MTB shorts for golf, fishing, tactical outdoor, casual shorts, as you like to perform with that. In a big bunch of possibilities and color out there. It's possible to get them in dark gray, or in pure black as seen, or in pure DK gray, khaki, stylish black, stylish DK gray, stylish khaki, or pure black as shown, or dark navy, green, and gray, pure green, DK navy, indigo, in the color of pure indigo, and khaki too. So it's a lot of possibilities and colors out there, and this is the big thing because it comes to you with 92% of polyester and 6% spandex and 2% of PVC. That means it's ultra flexible, as you can see. This big guy here, you can stretch it. Really awesome. That's really cool, and it makes a good feature out of your body. Machine wash important. That means quick dry and water resistant. Designed especially for the demands of hiking. The fabric of these hiking shorts for men offers exceptional comfort, lightweight feel, durability, water resistance, breathability, stretch, and UPF 50+ protection. What set them apart is the strategically placed stretch liquid fabric in the crotch and waist areas, ensuring an optimal fit and unrestricted movement. We have 6 multi-purpose pockets. It's featuring a stylish flap design. This cargo shorts here for man comes equipped with 2 insert pockets and 4 side zipper pockets. With an ample of secure storage space, we can safely store our phone, wallet, keys, compass, and energy bars too. This allows us to fully immerse ourselves in the hiking experience without the worry of losing valuable times and items. These men's golf shorts here features a high-quality zippers and are crafted with top-notch craftsmanship to ensure that very stitch is even impressive. Additionally, they have reinforced the design in areas of the body that undergo stress meridian movement, enhancing durability and making them built to withstand the rigors of various outdoor activities. These casual shorts here for men boost an elastic waistband with the adjustable hook and loop closure on both sides, as well as the belt loops and the zipper closure. This touchful design allows us to easily customize the fit according to our preferences. With these shorts' innovative waistband design, we can enjoy a snug and secure fit throughout our outdoor trips. These quick dry shorts here for men perfectly combine functionality and style, meticulously crafted to provide us with the ultimate outdoor experience. Designed with versatility in mind, these shorts for men are perfect for various activities such as hiking, mountaineering, biking, golfing, work, of course, fishing, tactical, climbing, traveling, and casual wear. The strategically placed reflective strips on both sides of our waterproof shorts offers an enhanced visibility in low light conditions while adding a stylish touch of garment. Whether we are hiking trails, cycling on the roads, or simply enjoy an evening stroll, these shorts not only improve safety but also allows us to enjoy the outdoor travel too. And oh yeah, Hiauspor was born out of the passion for the outdoors and its sensors desired to fulfill the needs of outdoor enthusiasts like us. With more than 5 years of dedicated operations on continuous improvement, they have become a highly trusted brand by customers like us. Equipped with a professional design team, a mature supply chain, and a rigorous quality control team, they are committed to providing high-quality products and outstanding services for us customers out there. Men's hiking shorts with 6 multi-pockets. It's water-resistant, it quicks dry, with 4-way stretch, an adjustable waist, and lycra stitching. That means, let's go into center, 6 multi-pockets, including 4 zipper pockets and 2 slant pockets. This provides more space for us, value as for our phones, wallet, keys, and so on. And with a zipper closure, high quality zipper design with button and hook and loop reinforced. This makes us move without restriction. And the big thing is adjustable waist. Elastic waist with the belt loops. 2 adjustable hook and loop fasteners on the sides to make our body comfortable and flexible too. And we have a quick dry fabric, moisture wicking, water resistant, 4-way stretch, lightweight, and UPF 50 plus. The Hiauspor man's short is quickly dry, water resistant, lightweight, highly stretched, rib strip, and comfortable. Best for hiking, cycling, and other outdoor sports and activities. And I think the really cool thing is the adjustable hook in the loop design. 2 adjustment hook can fasten on the side to hack our body comfortably and let us move without restriction. And the Lyra stitching is cool, baby. The stitching with highly stretched Lyra fabric will make us feel more flexible and comfortable on our outdoor activities and dailies. And reflective strips design. The men's hiking shorts are with 4 side reflection strips to improve our security on early morning and night outdoor activities. That's really cool for camping, golf, climbing, cycling, fishing, hiking, and leisure. If you have a hip with 36 inches up to 38 inches and a waist from 28 to 30 inches, your size will be S. If you have 38 to 40 inches hips, waist 30 up to 32, it's an M. 40 to 42 hips and 32 to 34 waist, it's an L. 42 up to 44 and 34 to 36 on the waist, it's yours with the XL, like mine here shown in that video. Then we have a 2XL version, 44 up to 46 and 36 to 38 waist dimensions. And the big guys out there choose the 3XL, 46 to 48 inches in hips and 38 to 40 in waist. So you can see, it's nearly for everyone out there, one of the Hiauspor men's hiking cargo shorts out there. It's a lightweight, quick dry stretch MTB shorts for golf, fishing, tactical activities, and for outdoor activities, and casual shorts too. So everyone can have a benefit with this really cool try-test. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.